Sculpture is an artistic form in which a material is worked into a three-dimensional object. Sculptures can also be described as an assemblage in the round and relief. An innumerable variety of materials or media can be used to create a sculpture. For example, stone, wax, fabric, clay, metal, plaster, rubber, and random found objects or materials. The materials may be molded, constructed, chiseled, carved, modeled, wrought, sewn, assembled, welded, cast, shaped, or combined. Sculpture is not an established term that applies to a permanently circumscribed category of objects or sets of activities founded on set principles. It is, rather, the name of an art that develops, evolves, grows, and changes. Hence, it is continually extending the scope of its activities and producing new kinds of objects. All three-dimensional forms have an expressive character, as well as purely geometric properties. They can be considered by the viewer as graceful, diaphanous, confrontational, rigid, flowing, relaxed, spirited, or smooth. By exploiting the expressive qualities of form, a sculptor is able to create images in which subject matter and expressiveness of form are mutually reinforcing. Such images go beyond the mere presentation of fact and communicate a wide range of innate and strong feelings. Would you like to learn more? At Seed Gallery, we are dedicated to exploring the world of art and design through the Art History and Economics Glossary. This is a valuable resource cataloging key terms, techniques, and art movements shaping contemporary and historical art. Discover more at seedgallerynewyork.com.